In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Sharing your screen can be a vital tool for collaborating with others, whether you're working remotely or communicating with your team from the office. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're all set to effectively share your screen. First and foremost, you need to sign into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure you do so from the Microsoft website or your device's app store. Once you've successfully installed the application, open it and click on the Sign In button to enter your credentials. This will take you into the main interface of Microsoft Teams, where you can access your chats, meetings, and other features. Next, you'll want to start or join a meeting where you intend to share your screen. On the Microsoft Teams interface, locate the video camera icon, often found in the toolbar at the top or side of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open options for starting a new meeting. Once you have started your meeting, you can also invite other members by sending them a meeting link or an invitation through their emails. When your meeting has commenced, you'll see a series of controls at the bottom of the meeting window. Look for the Share button, which is commonly represented by an icon that looks like an upwards arrow inside a box. Click on this button and a menu with different sharing options will appear. After clicking the Share button, you'll be presented with options to share screen, window, or tab. Choose the option that best fits your needs. For instance, if you want your entire desktop to be visible to other meeting participants, you would choose Share Screen. However, if you only need to show a specific document or application, you might prefer Window. Alternatively, if you're sharing something from the web, selecting Tab would be most efficient. Once you've decided, click on Entire Screen. Upon doing so, your system may prompt you to select the screen you wish to share, especially if you're using multiple monitors. Simply click on the screen you want to share and hit Share once again. At this point, everyone in the meeting will be able to see what you are displaying. Remember to keep any sensitive or personal information hidden to maintain privacy. It's important to communicate with your meeting participants, letting them know that they should now be able to see your screen. Throughout this process, you can switch between different windows or tabs seamlessly, and they will remain visible to others in real time, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps out to become more comfortable with screen sharing. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating on Microsoft